Hello, welcome to Papa's Pancakeria. Okay, today we are going to be playing Papa's Pancakeria, like I said. Also, these are two random saves I have. I'm going to delete both of them because they mean nothing to me. So, let's just get into it. Let's pick Cooper, and my name is going to be I ate my grandma. There we go. Yay, Tim. I need to get to rank 15 if I want to get drinks. Yep, Tim just wants 2 pancakes. I'm gonna give him 4 pancakes because I like to be extra. I'm just kidding. This is my pancakeria strategy. It's to place as many pancakes as you can possibly can, and then cook them all at once for future customers. And in the later game, once you unlock all the breads to waffles and French toast. Oh yeah, there's another customer. I think she's whatever. Okay, yeah. Now I have to. Now this is the most dangerous part. Having to just put them all in the there. And the reason this is the most dangerous bit is because it's the most time-consuming part. Which means some pancakes are hotter than others. Or should I say burnt? Tim loves it. Perfect. Actually, no, perfect. Sad. This 3 pancakes. Blueberries. And blueberry syrup. And put these 2 pancakes, and that's gonna be all the pancakes I even need. And the reason I need 10 pancakes is because 2 customers want 3 pancakes each. And I knew that from past, because I played it before. This is my most played Papa's game ever. And before I thought it was the most simplest. But it really wasn't. It really wasn't. Because okay, I just, Hank, do you like it? He waited. How did I get, what? I'm so confused with that. Oh, he must have waited for quite a while. That makes sense. That's why I need the doorbell. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna turn up the volume. Wee. Okay, upgrade shop. Doorbell. And that's everything I can afford. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get this and just have a blueberry poster. It's tiny. Those are mixable. I didn't know what mixables do, really. Actually, you know what I do, actually. How many times have I said I actually? Let me just put these pancakes on there. Yep. Just, oh, yay! Happy. One customer's waiting. Well, you'll have to wait a little bit more. Okay. Prudence? Isn't she like the other option? Like for the character? Like I think she is. Okay, now I have to put all of these pancakes, and I have to put another 2 pancakes there. And it has to be 2 I mean, it can be 2. What if I serve raw pancakes? Actually, I did try that before. It really didn't work. Oh. So yeah. Now I have to have all of these 3. Oh yeah, that's where the chocolates is. Flip those and serve that. Yeah! Kahuna! Okay. It's crazy how quickly the customers come. Except that it's not as quick as Freezeria customers. That was a nightmare. Yay! Okay, put these pancakes down. Chocolate chips. And pancake chocolate chips. Another pancake. And last but not least, chocolate chips. And then, of course, the butter. And that's order 3. I thought that was order 4. I actually thought that was order 4. And now, the last order. This is the most simplest one out of them all. And I think I got 100% on the order station, like, overall. Yup. And quality service, 98%. Trainee. Tray cleaner. Yay. Yay. Hallway hunt. Where is Tim? It's so obvious. It's here, right? I'm just kidding, it's over here. Skip. Seems like I have to decorate the lobby. Okay, I have new posters now. And I have this multi-grain wall. And that's about it. Now let's get, you dig into the pancakes as well. Oh, whipped cream. Oh, Prudence is having whipped cream, I think. I mean, normally the first customer who comes in, or normally orders the new ingredient they unlock. Which I'm correct. Come on, let me just drag it. Okay, yup. That super happy customer right there. Too bad you're gonna have to wait. A little bit. Okay. Tim, are you gonna order whipped cream? Nope. Also, look at this. Prudence is gonna have a nice surprise. Oh. Okay. Peggy. Hello, Peggy. I think there's gonna be 5 customers now, so. And now, whipped cream, chocolate, and syrup. She loves it. Of course she loves it, okay. And now, Sasha. I'm not sure if I said it differently before. I don't know. And banana. Syrup. There. Tim loves it. Oh. Forgot about those pancakes. Quinn. Okay, that's enough. That's enough pancakes. That's enough pancakes. Now I just have to go super quick. Okay, I want to go so quickly and have to get the right things on there. Okay, here. Yep. And whipped cream. Blueberries and more blueberry. Now. She loves it. Yep, of course she does. And finish this order as quickly as possible. And yes. Okay, that's the end of this in-game day. 98% quality this time. Let's hope I level up. Yep, I do. That means I'm gaining new ingredient, I think. Now let's play this one. Okay, blender bowl. Let's hope I win. Now. Yeah! I'm gonna play this as many times as I can. See how much I can win. Yeah. Freeze Royale. Yay. That was like the latest Papa's video I played, I think. I mean, that. I mean, I actually have like a tens of thousands Papa's Games drafts, like right now. Like I think a couple mystical block drafts as well. And so, yay. And I'm literally making this one. And this might also end up as a draft forever. Come on. No. Yeah, it like goes up to the top. This is so hard. No, I don't think I get it. No. Okay. I think this will be the end of this episode anyways. Oh, the 6 of 9 squares. So yeah, that'll be the end of this episode. I will see you next time. Goodbye.